Okay, so I got the front brake calipers off, and the pads don't look bad at all. It's a lot of fucking pad, but you see all that crap around it? It's because the front brakes, not the cylinders. The handlebar that I already took off was failing. It wasn't putting any fluid into it. So these were all black. I cleaned them off. But that's somewhat of a good sign. Don't have to replace the pads. The calipers look somewhat good. I'm going to test them later. But yeah, front brake pads are off. Calipers are off. I'm going to clean them. And then inspection on pads are all good. Inspection on the calipers. One looks completely fine. The other one of the cylinders is in question.